In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks Online. Before we dive in, a quick setup tip. Make sure you have admin access to your QuickBooks company, your online banking login handy if you plan to connect instantly, and your routing and account numbers in case you need to add an account manually. This will make the process smooth from start to finish. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, look for the settings icon in the upper right corner. From there, open payroll settings. Even if you're not running payroll, this is where QuickBooks centralizes certain bank connection options related to payments, so it's a reliable place to manage accounts. Inside payroll settings, locate the bank accounts section. Click Edit or select the small pencil icon to open the bank account setup. You'll be prompted to enter your business details. Be thorough and use your legal information exactly as it appears on your banking records, things like your business name, address, and employer identification details. Accurate information helps prevent verification delays later. Next, search for your bank or credit card provider by name. QuickBooks will show a list of supported institutions. If you see yours, choose it to connect instantly. You'll be asked to sign in with your online banking credentials, and you may complete a security code or multi-factor prompt. Once connected, select the specific checking, savings, or credit card account you want, confirm any requested date range for transactions, and allow QuickBooks a moment to pull in the data. If your bank or card isn't listed, select the option to enter the details manually. Type in the routing number and account number for bank accounts or the account number for credit cards and save. Double check the numbers to avoid errors. Copying from a bank statement is a good idea. Some institutions require verification. You might see small test deposits appear in your bank within a day or two. Return to QuickBooks to enter those exact amounts and complete verification. Others verify instantly through your login. Just follow the prompts on screen. Once verified, confirm that transactions are posting to the correct place in your books. Map each connected account to the right bank or credit card register in your chart of accounts. Align default categories where applicable, and make sure payroll payments and tax payments flow to the intended accounts. Clear naming helps you avoid duplicates if you connect multiple accounts. That's it, your accounts are connected and ready to streamline your bookkeeping.